Hi students, welcome to Vijay Datta chemistry classes. This is your Purnima ma'am. We are going to discuss percentage composition. How to calculate the percentage of the atom present in the given compound. It is very easy. See here, different methods are there for the percentage composition, for the calculation of the percent compositions. So what is exactly the percentage composition is? See here, the percentage composition. Suppose they given methane. They ask you to calculate methane molecule having one carbon and four hydrogen atoms. Then what is the percentage of carbon and percentage of hydrogen present in the given compound? Then how to calculate that percentage compositions in the given compound is percentage of carbon equals to how many number of carbon atoms are there here? Only one carbon atom. What is the atomic weight of the carbon? 12 by what is the weight of this compound? Carbon is 12 plus 4 hydrogens means 4. So total 16. So it is 16. As we are calculating the percentage, so we will multiply with 100. Comes to the percentage of hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms we have? 4 hydrogen atoms we have. So we have to take 4 into what is the atomic weight of hydrogen? 1 by total weight of the compound is 16 into 100. So this is the method for the calculation of the percentage composition. So what we can write the generalized formula percentage composition equals to percentage composition equal to weight of element means atomic weight of an element by molecular weight of the compound into 100. Here you can take a number of atoms or number of elements into atomic weight of that element by molecular weight of the compound into 100. This is the formula for calculating the percentage composition. By using this formula, you can calculate the any atom present in the particular compound. Suppose see, we can calculate this 12 by 16 into 100. 12 by 16 is nothing but 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 3/4 part of the 100 is nothing but 25%. 4 by 16, 4 by 16, sorry, 3/4 part is nothing but 75%. 4 by 16 is nothing but 1/4 part of the 100. So 1/4 part of 100 is nothing but called 25%. So percentage composition of carbon is 75 and percentage composition of the hydrogen is 25%. Like that, we can take one more example. We'll take two examples. See here, they asked you to calculate Na2CO3 percentage composition. Na2CO3, they asked you to calculate the percentage compositions. So what are the elements we have? Percentage of nitrogen we want, percentage of carbon we want, percentage of oxygen we need. How many number of sodium atoms are there for the given two sodium atoms? What is the atomic weight of sodium? 23 by what is the molecular weight of Na2CO3? 2 into 23 plus only 1 into 12 because only one carbon atom is there plus 3 into 16 means 106. Na2CO3 is 106. Some of the compounds you have to remember because always they will be repeated in the exam. That's why some of the molecular weights, if you remember, that will be easy to you. In that one of one is AgCl. Number of times they'll ask CaCO3. Such compounds they'll ask frequently. So percentage of NaNO3 by 106 into 100 gives you the percentage composition of sodium. Comes to the carbon, only one atom is there. That too, that atom atomic weight is 12 by 106 into 100. Percentage of oxygen. How many oxygen atoms we have? 3 oxygen atoms we have. 3 into. What is the atomic weight of oxygen? 16. by 106 into 100. So if you calculate 2 into 23 means 46 by, so for 2 into 23 is nothing but 46. 46 by 106 into 100 is nothing but that percentage is 43.3 percentage. 12 by 106 into 100 gives you roughly 11 point like that. So 1200 divided by 106 gives you 11.3 percentage. 11.3 percentage will be given. If you are coming to the oxygen, see 43.3%, you can calculate this, and also you can calculate this one, and otherwise we can calculate 43.3, 11.3, so we'll get 54.6. So to get the percentage of oxygen, you can apply the formula, otherwise you can do 100 minus 54.6. Also you can get the percentage of oxygen, both will be same. See here, 16 threes are 48 by 106 into 100. So 48 by 106 into 100 will get the value 46 percentage roughly. So 46%, even though if you substitute from the subtract from the 100 minus 54.6 also, you will get the same. So like this we can calculate the percentage of composition for anyone. Test yourself. You can calculate for C2H5Cl, percentage of carbon, percentage of hydrogen, percentage of chlorine. You can go for KMnO4, percentage of potassium, percentage of manganese, percentage of oxygen. All these also you can calculate. Just test yourself either you are able to do or not this percentage composition by using this method. This is very simple and very easy one also. So in our next video we will go to the empirical formula and molecular formula, which is very important also. Okay guys, thank you. Thank you so much.